Hi, friends. Welcome to a new day. Today, let's learn a few common sentences related to the morning routine. My alarm goes off at 6 a.m. every morning. I usually wake up as soon as I hear the alarm. Sometimes I press the snooze button for a few extra minutes of sleep. After turning off the alarm, I get out of bed and start my day. A reliable alarm helps me stay punctual and maintain a consistent routine.
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I stretch my arms and legs to feel refreshed and energized. I make my bed before starting my day. I pull back the curtains. Let me open the window and get some fresh air. I brush my teeth thoroughly. I rinse out my mouth after brushing my teeth. I wash my face, take a shower, get dressed, and prepare for the day. I smile at myself in the mirror and get ready for a new day. I drink a glass of warm water. I look at my phone, check the news and messages. I reply promptly to a few urgent messages.